Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here with some great students, and today's student is Xiaofu. Xiaofu, how are you?
Hi, good.
Awesome, awesome. And where are we, and what major are you, and what year are you?
Oh, we're in one of the SVA drawing buildings, and I am a BFA animation sophomore this year, and this is going to be my sketchbook from freshman year.
Awesome. And what's your dream job?
Right now, storyboard and viz dev.
Awesome. All right, so this is a huge sketchbook, so let's start flipping. You can bring it a little bit closer to you. There you go. All right, so when did you start this sketchbook?
At the start of this year, it's a part of the package I received from SVA, and at the really start, it was Mario's class, drawing class.
Okay, hold on. Oh, it was Mario's class.
Yes.
Okay, wow.
And he started off immediately telling us that we have to use pen, and I've been using pencil my entire life. So at the really start, it was kind of a challenge, and so you can kind of see how I get used to drawing in pens more.
Okay, I just want to zoom in. The reason why we're going a little bit faster, YouTube, is there's a lot in here, and it will be a super long video if we go too slow, but I also don't want to skip some of these pages because they're really, really cool. So you've gotten used to pen.
Yes.
Wow, okay, just go at a little slower pace. Wow, okay, and these are all life drawings.
Yes.
And where are you normally drawing these people? Just all over the city, or at SVA, or a little bit of everything?
Everything. Oftentimes in humanity class, I would be drawing my teachers and classmates, and like all of these are from classes.
I see. And what is the main crux of what Mario says to focus on?
For us, it was human anatomy. We were learning like the bone structure, the muscle structure, so just really to get a hands down on the specific details of human body.
Yes. Oh, I love that. Yeah, Mario, he's the man. He's the man. No doubt. Totally love all that stuff. And so sophomore, third year, right?
Sophomore, second year.
Second year. I should know that, right? I'm a teacher here at SVA. And how has second year been for you?
Oh, well, it's more intense than first year, but I think I've gotten used to the workflow and intensity of animation. So I'm actually, I think, getting more used to it, even though there's more work. So.
Okay. Now hold on a second. Rotate that sketchbook. Tell us a little bit about this. So Mario has you drawing the skeleton, and then each week you're getting a little bit more detailed with
Yes.
one bone?
Yeah, essentially. He would teach us like one specific bone structure each week, and
Yes.
then we would be practicing putting that onto a full skeleton.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Okay. Yeah, I love drawing anatomy. It's the difference maker. And has it helped you?
Definitely, yes.
Whoa. So a little pencil, a little mainly pen, and then you're throwing in a little marker now?
Yes.
So is this something that Mario asked you to introduce?
Not really. It's
Rotate that.
more like I got inspired by my classmates. Some of them are much more used to like drawing in pens and colors. So
Wait a second. Wait. I see. So you're getting inspired by your classmates?
yeah.
Oh, love that. That is super pretty. Gorgeous. And do you ever think about some of the things? Yes, you do, because I see the 3 values over there from perspective class. Okay, love it, love it. Little retention. So, all right, now you already mentioned it, but my mind is going a million miles an hour. When did you start this?
This start of freshman year.
Start of freshman year. So you've been with this sketchbook for some time.
Yes.
I see. Okay, hold on now. And so do you have like times when that is beautiful? When you don't draw in here for like a week or so because you're busy with all of your other homework?
The interesting thing is I always have more than 5 sketchbooks going at the same time.
Okay.
So I always draw every week, but perhaps not specifically on this sketchbook. A lot of times when I have like personal character ideas art, especially at the start of the sketchbook, I felt a bit awkward putting them into this sketchbook, being that I need to show Mario this every week.
I see.
But then, like later on, I started putting in more of that stuff because it's easier to draw in one sketchbook.
Yes, yes. I just really adore the repetition of, you don't have to flip, you can keep going. I adore the repetition of the skeleton and constantly drawing it over and over again. I mean, why don't you rotate that? That is really good. And then just hang there for a moment, and beautiful. And now we've got, oops, I see. All right, it goes that way. Wow, are these some of your original characters?
Yes, this is actually, like, you can see the process of me developing this character, and then this is her final design. She's not really an animation character because I put a lot of accessory on her.
Yes, hold on. These are like everyone's gonna yell at me because we're going way too fast. Wow, super pretty, wow.
This is my friend's art.
Wow, you have a lot in here. My God, you've got some serious pencil mileage. Okay, rotate that. That character is beautiful. I love the dynamic poses. Whoa.
And then this is when we started like doing storyboards for my first year film. So this is all just me and my teammates planning everything out.
Okay, how long did you spend on that?
The second semester of first year.
Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Whoa, I love that. That's really cool. So you're just planning out the design of the character?
Yes.
Okay.
In order to fit into our new storyline, I had to make adjustment to my character, which is why you can see like I was looking at the details of the clothes and how it's gonna match his original design and new design.
Okay. Allison, I feel so bad that you're standing. You're good? Oh wow, okay, look at this. This is really cool. You're just using like a Sharpie or something?
This is like a marker that I used to put in. I wanted to fill the whole page black, but then I got kind of lazy because I was actually seeing one of my friends doing this to the sketchbook, and I was like, that looks really cool.
It does look really cool, I gotta say. Whoa. Okay, so a page like this, how long do you spend on it?
That's a good question. Usually, I don't really count the time that I'm drawing, but probably like each of these sketch would be maybe like 5 to 10 minutes max. And then usually like this is just me going to eat, and then I just draw while like the food is coming on and such.
Okay, love it.
So like probably like 20-minute max, like, and then filling these out.
Okay. Okay, now this is starting to get really interesting. I love that perspective. That is beautiful. I like now that you're starting to switch gears and draw more than just the gestures of the people, and you're drawing more. Wait a second, these are, go back. Okay, let's look at this one. I'm sorry, YouTube, I'm sorry. There's a lot to look at here, and I know you're gonna yell at me, but that's okay. Really super pretty. Love all the SVA pipes.
Yes.
And all right, let's flip. Let's see that next one. And oh yeah, gorgeous.
I found that I'm not really good with drawing like a large scale because I get too nitpicky with the details. So I was really trying to like force myself to draw more bigger things.
Yes. Love it.
And then this is a like a model show that ISO actually came together to do.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all from that.
Wow. Whoa. Okay.
And then some of the design aspect of my film.
Okay, you gotta rotate.
This is more like just sketching for myself, but I'm pretty happy with how comfortable I got with human anatomy, so I can just like whip this out from my imagination.
Nice. Oh God, did you go to the Museum of Natural History or something, or these are just random animals?
These are Central Park Zoo.
Okay. Did you go with the school or by yourself?
This one is with the school, but then later I went by myself.
Okay. Gorgeous. And oh my God. Okay, this is, when I saw your sketchbook a few months back, this is what I really wanted to share. I just really like that you're doing all this variety. Oh my God. Okay. I guarantee you that might be Reese. All right. Reese, come on in and just take a seat. The most talkative art student in college. Yes, Reese, say hello.
Hello.
All right, Reese, take a seat, take a seat, take a seat. Wait, we gotta go back to
Okay.
Holy Moses. Or you can stand if you want. Tell me a little bit about this page. How long did that take you?
Ooh, I forgot. But like this one is from downstairs. All of these are life drawing. I would put in quick sketch marks.
Mhm.
I really learned how to like treat the pen as a pencil. All of these are like pen marks.
Yes.
And then I would take a picture for the details, and I would add in like the scratch marks, the light, reflection, and such.
Whoa, okay, that is precious. It's the first time a UPS truck has ever been called precious.
And this is all character design for my storyboarding class.
And how had, oh, okay. Wait a second. How, okay, I won't even bother asking how long it took you, but let's just say it took you a while.
Yeah, this one was not intended to be this detailed, but I got carried away one day and just like sketching the details, just really, really fun.
It looks super fun. Wow, and you've got the construction worker there and the cones compositionally placed. I love it. Oh my God, you're killing us all. There's too much to look at. There's way too much.
Yeah, these cars started off because Mario told us to draw more vehicles, but then I got really, like, I enjoyed really drawing these cars. So.
Wow. There's way too much to look at in here. Now you're into muscles and...
This is like a D&D character.
A D&D character?
Yeah. That was my first D&D game, and I was designing my character.
Nice.
And these are for storyboarding class.
And what are your plans this summer?
I want to finish my sophomore film, and I plan on like making, oh, this is all like doodle sketchbook page with my friends.
Oh, I see. Okay, it's still fun to look at. Okay, so you're gonna finish your film this summer.
Yes, and I want to be able to like crank out at least 2 or 3 like story ideas that I'm ready to go into making shorts for.
Okay.
This is my sophomore character.
Beautiful. A little bit of watercolor.
Yes.
I'm still thinking about those trucks. Hold on now. Super fun. Oh my God. Very cool.
Friends doodle. This is my cat, dog.
Beautiful.
Friends doodle page.
So you're having a good time in this sketchbook. That's the bottom line.
Yes. This is getting to, this is like summer, and I started to plan out another character that's more illustrative based.
So last summer.
Yes. And this is when I went to the Bronx Zoo myself.
Okay. Gorgeous. And would you say that you're very, very comfortable now with the pen?
Yeah, I still like pencil, but definitely these are all like other people's drawing.
Okay, fair enough. Your thumb's getting tired? There's a lot in here, my God.
I sketched all of these during our D&D sessions.
Nice.
And I drew this one in almost pitch black, so I really couldn't tell what I was drawing. And then
Wow.
this was fun. It's a field trip with the honors program.
Okay. I like that you're incorporating shapes. That is a beautiful page. Whoa.
This is family trip, and then classmates.
A little bit of storyboarding with value. Thank you.
And I kind of just went, and these are some like really quick sketches I did recently.
Okay.
And that's about it for the sketchbook.
Wow, that's it? You mean you have nothing else, Xiaofu? Oh my God. All right, listen, you're awesome. And thank you so much for sharing your sketchbook with us. Where can everybody find you on the web?
Ooh, mainly I'm using Instagram right now at xiaofu_ju. Just like my name spelled out.
Yes.
And that's about it. I also have a portfolio website, but mainly on there, yeah.
Okay, so we'll put all that in the show notes. I can't speak anymore. All right, thank you, Xiaofu, and we'll see you soon, okay?
Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you, Matt.
You got it, you got it. All right, everyone, you got to give the video a like. There was so many drawings in that, and we'll talk to you soon.